Soaked chickpeas are processed together with onion, chili, a ton of herbs and spices. It's then processed, then cooked and cooled, and enhanced with some delicious ingredients and a light dressing. Welcome back to Cravings Food Adventures. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today we're going to be making a deconstructed falafel salad. I made a falafel video. I'm going to leave that link at the end of this video as well as in the description. And I had some leftovers and I just quickly stir fried it. This led me to this incredible recipe, a falafel in a salad form. You're going to love it. Before I go any further with this recipe, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure to ring that bell so you're notified every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get cooking. I'm going to start with 250 grams of chickpeas. It's important in this recipe to use dried chickpeas and not the canned version. I like to soak this overnight and you can see how they have increased in size. Some prefer to do a 50-50 chickpea to fava bean proportion. You can do this as well, as long as they're both dried. Once drained completely, I'm going to add this to my food processor. I'm going to add in 1 cup of onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and 1 tablespoon of green chili. I have a bunch of herbs here that I've just washed and completely dried. I'm going to add in 1 cup each of parsley and coriander, and a half cup each of dill and mint. I'm going to first add in half the herbs. Next, I'm going to add in half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a quarter teaspoon of clove powder. Next, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. I'm using Aleppo peppers, but you can add any kind, including paprika. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon each of salt and pepper. Once browned and the chickpeas look like broken wheat, I'm going to add the second half of the herbs and I'm going to remove this. Add some olive oil to a hot wok and I'm going to add the mixture in and saute. You want to leave the mixture standing for a few minutes so a crust can develop, and then you quickly start sauteing again. Do this for about 5 to 6 minutes so the chickpeas can cook. Once done, make sure to cool this completely. To make the salad, I'm going to add 1 cup of halved cherry tomatoes, half a cup of pickled turnips, 1 cup of crumbled feta, a half cup of Kalamata olives, 2 cups of herbs. I've used a mixture of parsley, coriander, mint, and dill. I'm going to also add 1 tablespoon of white sesame seeds, and a quarter cup of toasted pine nuts. I've made a really simple dressing: 50 ml of lemon juice, 50 ml of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, salt and pepper. Give this a really good shake and add as much as you need. Toss this together and you can serve this salad cold. It's a great option if you're gluten intolerant and it packs so much flavor. Enjoy. Using the same base recipe, you can also make falafel. Check out my video at the end of this video as well as in the description. Thank you so much for joining me on Cravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for my deconstructed falafel salad. I totally made this up, but now this is something that I'm going to be making over and over again, especially for potlucks or side during the summer. If you love this video, give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment below, and don't forget to share my videos with your family and friends so they can enjoy all of these incredible recipes as well. And make sure to follow me behind the scenes on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and TikTok. Until I see you next time, do take care. Happy eating. Bye.